Hello, today I will tell you how I completed the journey from $50 to $5,000. I have $5,065 and out of this I invest only $50 in taking trades. Although I have lost once or twice, its history will be shown in the last. But watch this video carefully till the end. First of all, add stochastic oscillator and after that Keltner channel. Let's change the settings of the Keltner channel. If you want to join this broker, the link will be found. I'll show you how to trade with market because these two indicators act on the market, so let's see by taking trades. Now you can see that the market moves down from the upper line of the Keltner channel and the stochastic oscillator is in overbought condition and has crossed to the downside from there. As soon as we saw that now the market is going down, so immediately took the entry. This is a 15 seconds candle with an expiry time of 1 minute. And this trading we have done in OTC when such easy charts appear. We have won the trade and will now take another trade at $96. So here you can see that this chart is in a strong uptrend. Only 1 or 2 red candles are formed and then green candles appear. So we have taken a trade in the up direction for 1 minute. So here the entry is 1, now we have to take a trade at $184, so we are looking for a good movement. Here the market is in an uptrend. But if you look at the Keltner channel, the direction of the Keltner channel is going down. And here, the sideways market was going on. He has a break. So from here, the market can bounce back a bit and go down. So I will take the entry on the downside here. So here our prediction was correct. And our entry successfully won. Now there is support below, so the market can go down till this support. So I take another entry in the same currency. And our prediction is right again. Now we move to the next entry. Which entry will make us more profit? Here the market is moving like this. And this time also it has been conditioned in the same way. And the stochastic below is also showing overbought. So here you can take a trade, and I took 1 minute entry here. Because if the market goes up by 1 candle, then this is the best time till the time of coming down. Because there is more movement towards the bottom of the market. And here the entry has won. Let's find the next entry now. And this time we are going to take a trade of $1,000. So here the market has caught the uptrend. As you can see, the Keltner channel is moving upwards. And the market is also moving above the middle line of the Keltner channel. So I'll take an entry here. If you take each and every trade analysis, then after some time your analysis level will increase a lot, and winning ratio will also be very good. And here our entry has won. But this time the entry has won by coming very close. Sometimes it happens due to volatility in currency pairs. So far we have converted $50 to approximately $1,500. Then now ahead of this we should find good trades. Let's see what happens. After long time, I found a good chart and also good entry points, so I took the downside entry and this time I used $1,000 for single trade. I saw there is a downtrend movement, so let's see what happens within our trade time. So here the trade is lost, and in my haste I thought this fast-moving candle could go higher for 1 minute. But there was a pullback here and our target failed. But never mind, we will complete it next time but will not take any risk this time. Otherwise, the trades already won will be of no use. So see you with the next new and updated strategy. Till then, happy trading, be happy.